You don't like weeds, do you?
Blah.
Blah.
Yucky.
Yuck.
But I like to eat weed seeds.
What seeds?
Weed seeds.
Weed seeds, yeah, to get 3 in a mesh.
Well, I don't really like
Yeah. I wonder if this cat would like them. Hey, cat! What are you doing? You having a little too much fun there, cat? I think so. Rooster, what do you think?
Stop, Dad. Just leave the cat alone.
You have to say hello.
Hi, Sadie. I would like to ride you, Sadie. It's okay. Okay, give her a little kick to go forward. Good job.
I'm surprised they don't make a horseback. Yeah.
It's kind of like our toenails. You can just peel. Sadie's are super easy to peel.
You want to feel it, Ethan?
But yeah, you just peel them.
Holy camoly.
And they're called chestnuts.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Does it bother them at all or not? Do you know?
They grow, like sometimes you'll see like neglected horses have
Oh.
them like
Oh my
really
gosh.
long.
Oh.
And so that kind of bothers them, like if they get long enough to like clip
Trip
them
them? No.
or
like-
whatever, but no. It's just kind of like see how our thumb is like up
Yeah.
here? Well, it's kind of like their thumb.
Gotcha.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hey! There's Mama.
Look at that cute puppy.
Aww, you need a pup.
You're like Wolf.
Yeah.
Oh, you're eating the chestnuts. This dog's eating the chestnuts. I can see just fine. Oh, I can't see anymore. Ha!
I can't see anymore, actually.
I can see just fine now.
Wait, where am I?
Well, are you closing your eyes, honey?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm tired.
you tired? Should we go home?
Yeah.
It's getting pretty late, huh?
Yeah, because of the sunset. The sunset is almost here.
Yeah.
We should go.